This video is on a 2018 Ford F-150 Supercrew XLT. It is on the F-150 LED Raptor style amber grille lights. You can buy 3. I chose to purchase 4. Pretty much an easy installation. I would recommend, if you have this year vehicle, to install it on the driver's side. Grabbing the marker light is a lot easier on the driver's side, and make sure you connect it positive to positive, negative to negative. Very good, extremely bright day or night. Give you a shot how they look. There they are. Like I said, outstanding, extremely bright, and the 4 is, I think, is better than the 3. If you like it, always subscribe, thumbs up, always appreciate it. Thanks.